So today at Mobile Choice, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1 has arrived. It's the follow-up device to Samsung's original Galaxy Tab. Only this time this one runs on Android Honeycomb, which is the Android OS that's optimised for the tablet platform. We've got the Wi-Fi version here, but there's also a 3G version here. But if we take a look inside the box, so there's a lot of hype about this device already. There it is in all its glory. We just take it out of there, have a quick look. So there's the device itself. I'll just put that to the side for a second and we'll have a look at what's in the box. So obviously you've got your charger there, got a USB connector cable there, instruction manual which is always useful, and some headphones. So let me have a look and see if there's anything else under there. No, so that's everything that you get with the actual tablet. If we turn to the main attraction itself, so as I say, the sort of 10.1, that refers to the size of the screen. Obviously, we take away that. So it's a nice big screen there. There is an 8.9 version coming out as well, but if you're after a slightly bigger display, perhaps for you're keen to watch movies or just prefer that bigger browsing experience when you're surfing the web, this is probably the device for you. Very thin, it's about 8.6mm thick, which actually makes it thinner than the iPad 2, and it's also marginally lighter than the iPad 2 as well. And sort of hold it in two hands there, it's you're not feeling weighted down at all. You've got your 3.5mm jack there, so you can obviously use the headphones that comes boxed with it, or your own set of cans. Let's switch it on. You've got the power button there, so you just fire it up there. We're going to take it just a couple of seconds to fire up. The display itself is it's Gorilla Glass, which in theory at least should make it so you've got nice graphics starting up there. But yeah, the Gorilla display, that should in theory make it less susceptible to scratches and breaks and stuff. So it's quite reassuring. Although it runs on Android Honeycomb, Samsung's actually sort of coated it in its own TouchWiz UI. So if we unlock the screen there, anyone familiar with the Samsung smartphones should recognise the display and the UI here. Good responsive touchscreen there as well. Nice built-in accelerometers there. Quick response. Other sort of key features, you've got on the back a 3.15 megapixel camera, complete with LED flash. So that's a decent snapper to have on a tablet. Should be able to get some decent images through that, and with the LED flash in low light as well. But then you've also got a 2 megapixel camera, front-facing camera there, so you will be able to have video calls as well. It runs on a dual-core 1 GHz processor, so expect good multitasking. You can have numerous applications open at the same time, and firing up the apps and different programs should be done in relatively quick time. So we'll be bringing you the full review fairly soon, but that's a nice little taster of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1.